गोयच्या फायर आणि इमर्जन्सी सर्व्हिसान 14 एप्रिलाक राष्ट्रीय राना सेवा दिसाच्या निमतान गोवा फायर रन सर्त दवरल्या। शहीद जाल्ल्या फायरमॅनाक आर्गां ओपपाक 14 तारखेर कार्यावळी जातल्यो। 5 आणि 10 किलोमीटर मेरेन धावपाच्यो 2 सर्ती आणि गोंयभरच्या भुरग्यां खातीर पोस्टर सर्ती आसतल्यो। उदकाच्या आपतकालीन परिस्थिती वेळार कशें व्यवस्थापन करप ताचेर 14 सर्व्हिस स्टेशनां डेमो दितलीं।
Programs what we have chalked out for observation of the National Fire Service Day. On this day we pay homage to the firemen martyrs across the country. On 14th April 1944, everybody is aware what happened, and that is the day when at least 44 firefighters died in the Bombay dock explosion. And since then we have been commemorating that day as a National Fire Service Day and paying homage to martyrs. The theme for this year is Firemen, your partner for saving life and property. So with this theme we thought about many things, many programs during the day that is on 14th April and during the week that is the Fire Prevention Week, and preluding the Fire Service Day, having the all Goa poster competition for children.
In this competition, a total of 38,000 rupees will be given out, will be given against the 10 kilometers and the 5 kilometers across 2 categories, men and women. In both the categories, that is 10 kilometers men, 10 kilometers women, 5 kilometers for the men and 5 kilometers for the women. The run will start at 6:30, the 10 kilometers from the Goa Fire Training Center, which is just outside this premises.
संसोड्यावेलो कोयराचो प्रस्न सोडोवंक मडगांव पालिकेन पावलां मारल्यांत। कोयराच्यो राशी फुडल्या म्हयन्यासावन उखलपाचे पालिकेचे बसकेंत थारलां। कोयर खंय सायन्स अँड टॅक्नॉलॉजी खातें उबारतलें। मडगांवच्या नगराध्यक्षान सुमार 6 कोटीचें शिल्की बजेट मंजूर जालां म्हूण सांगलें। बसकेंत शाराच्या बाकीच्या प्रस्नांचेरय चर्चा जाली।
Now that the Honorable TCP Minister has personally looked into it, because this is the pressing need of the people from Salsett. From pressing need of the people from Salsett, not from Margaon and Fatorda, that we need to do something with the Sansoda dump. He has taken it up to the Honorable CM, who is also the chairman of the High Power Committee. So yesterday when he called for a meeting, he has assured us that we have requested that you withdraw this contractor, to withdraw this contract and to award it to, you give the whole operations to Science and Technology and Environment Department, and let them go ahead through JSIDC and take care of the Sansoda dump on the same in the same manner as the way Saligaon treatment plant is functioning, and the Pato. And in fact, we are requesting the members of the press also that we will organize a visit for you, that you come and have a look at the Saligaon treatment plant. So you get convinced by what, because I believe, I think seeing is believing. So you have to believe what you are seeing. You have to get convinced, because I have seen there, I myself also had my own doubts, but when I know those people, they're so passionate about what they're doing. Especially the biotechnology, the environment and science and technology people who are working there. It is amazing to see a government agency who is so passionate to those people who are working, that so passionately they are handling all this. So they have agreed, and they said in the first week of April we will start with the operations. We will try and handle as much as the dump, because the dump is in 2 phases. One is a fresh dump with the fresh garbage, and the one dump is almost dry. So we will first tackle the old dump whereby we already have dry dump there. And till 1st of June, till the monsoon begins, we will try and handle as much as possible. And then the subsequent will be kept for the later half of the year.
Give a break.